Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Abdur Rahman. Today I am back with another video. In this video I am going to show how to read flash on Vivo phones. You can use this method for all of Vivo phones and all of Qualcomm devices. Now I have Vivo Y11, so I am going to read back flash file from this phone. If you have other devices like Oppo, Vivo, powered by Qualcomm, then you can use this method for readback flash file. Just download the correct flash file of your phone. If you have Vivo Y11, then I will provide you the programmer file in the description. Before starting the video, I have a request to everyone. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please do subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. First open Miracle Box and then open Device Manager. You just need to boot your phone into download mode. If you don't know how to go to download mode on Vivo phone, then simply click on the I button or check the description below. Okay, now I am connecting my phone in download mode via USB cable. If it's successfully connected, you can see here in Device Manager. Okay, you can see phone is connected successfully in download mode. Click on Connect Now. Then click on Qualcomm tab. Click on ReadFlash tab. Now select port. Deselect auto program. Now select the program file. Okay. And now click on Read Partition. Now click Start. It will read all the partition your phone have. You can see we have the all partition here. Simply deselect the user data because it's a big file. Now click on Read Plus and click Start. Just navigate the folder you want to keep the readback file. Okay, I am creating a new folder. Now simply click on it and it will starting read back. Let me warn you, this method is full of risks, so be careful. Don't skip the video for a second. Okay friends, we are done here. Successfully read back. Now open the folder, you will get all the file. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like the video.